pass out front. Here's Michael Kim, but his shot is blocked. Opportunity here as Donato heads up the ice. Ryan Donato gets the shot and he scores! He'll bring a smile to his father's face there on the bench. Teddy Donato's son ties the game at 1 here in the first.
Opportunistic, and you get a couple of guys on the back end really just getting out on the shift, and when the shot gets blocked, it's kind of a shot by Kim, the defenseman, in the middle of the offensive zone. And when it gets blocked, Donato just takes off, and it's a foot race for the puck. And because he gets his stick lifted, TC, on this initial rush, maybe it throws off the timing of the save by Demko, or the attempted save by Demko. You don't know what's going to happen. You're ready.
Opportunity here. Cangelosi into the offensive zone, waits for the trailer, gets it through. Shot, a save there by Manson. He got the glove on it. Steve Santini on the follow, getting the shot away. Now back the other way comes Vesey. Knocked down, puck heading towards the net, and Kerfoot will get after it. Back to the defenseman, shot, score! He somehow got it back to Bauman, who took the shot from the point. All kinds of traffic in front, and if Bauman gets credit for it, he will get his first collegiate goal as Harvard takes its first lead of the night.
Pretty good shooting percentage now as a team for the Harvard Crimson. A pair of shots and 2 goals. Not sure if this got deflected from the shot from the point from Bauman, but it's a pretty good back check by Santini after he made a pretty good opportunity at the offensive and take down Vesey, but Kerfoot makes a pretty good effort to get to this loose puck, and he throws an area pass back to the point. It finds a seam, it gets back, and this is about a 50-foot shot, and it's a quick wrist shot. We're going to look at the overhead. And there's some concern as to, was there some goaltender contact here by Vesey? He obviously got taken into the goaltender.